there, young stargazers. Welcome to an enchanting journey to explore the mesmerizing world of stars in the sky. I'm Tuffles. Tonight, we're going to embark on an exciting adventure to discover the wonders that twinkle above us. Just look up. The night sky is like a sparkling canvas, adorned with countless stars. Each one holds a unique story waiting to be unveiled. Let us begin our cosmic exploration. Stars love to play cosmic connect the dots. They form patterns called constellations. Some of these patterns have been known to humans for thousands of years. Can you spot the Big Dipper? Have you ever wondered why stars twinkle? It's because of Earth's atmosphere. And did you know stars can appear in different colors? Some are blue, red, yellow, and white. Let us learn what makes them shine so brightly. Stars have a life cycle, just like living creatures. They are born from clouds of gas and dust, live for millions or billions of years, and eventually, some of them explode in a spectacular event called a supernova. It's truly cosmic drama. Look! A shooting star. But wait, it's not really a star. It's a tiny space rock called a meteor burning up in our atmosphere. Sometimes, we get meteor showers, where many meteors light up the sky. It's like a celestial fireworks display. The moon is Earth's closest neighbor in space. It shines at night because it reflects sunlight. And it appears differently as it orbits around our planet. Can you spot the crescent moon? Besides stars, there are other objects in the night sky too. They are called planets, and we live on one of them, Earth. Let us meet some of our cosmic siblings like Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Our solar system is just a tiny part of a vast galaxy called the Milky Way. It's like a giant city of stars. Imagine how many stars are twinkling in there. Is it not mind-blowing? Thanks to incredible space telescopes like the Hubble, we can see even more stunning details of distant stars and galaxies. It's like having a cosmic telescope. Our journey to the stars may be coming to an end, but remember, the night sky is always there, waiting for you to explore its mysteries. Keep looking up and dreaming big, young stargazers. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing cosmic adventures. Until next time, may your dreams be as vast as the universe itself. For more astronomical wonders and exciting space explorations, click on these videos. And hit that notification bell, so you never miss a celestial update. Happy stargazing! Created with wonder and awe for the young minds reaching for the stars. Keep exploring, little astronomers.